To upload music into your Redmi Watch 5, you have to start by opening Mi Fitness application and select Device. Then you will have to navigate into Apps and select Music. Right now select Manage Music. And here you will have to click on this icon and accept all of these permissions. And now we can find music that you have on your phone, so you can sort between music, artist, or album. You have to select the music that you want to upload and then click on the right upper corner switcher. So click here, and now as you can see, the selected music will be added to our device. So to continue, we have to using other apps while this process completes. So click OK, and here you can track this update. It will actually takes a few moments until this music will be transferred into your phone. So that's how it actually looks for one song. If you choose like, I don't know, 10 or 20, then the time will be definitely longer, but you can just normally use your device. Don't worry. When we go back from this one, you are not gonna delay this process. It will be actually sending in the background. And once you actually send this music, you will be able to actually go into your music application in your watch. I just turn on a flashlight, so we want to show. Okay, now it's actually not recommended to use the device because as you can see, there's like a lot of lags right here. So when it's actually sending data, it will actually make this device a little bit laggy. But when it will be finished, the music will be available right here on this application.